everyone. Today we are going to continue the chapter 1 of class 2. So here is the topic: estimating and counting. Circle your estimate. So here are the 20 smileys, 50 and then at 100. So let's count these smileys or circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, we have to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and here is 39. So next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next you can count by yourself. Let's see what is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are actual things. And next is tens and ones. Connect. You have a bag of 9 counters, a mixture of yellow counters with a value of 10 and red counters with a value of 1. So this is a bag and we have 9 counters and a mixture of yellow and red counters. Red counter is 1 and yellow counters are 10. Which number could you make with your place value counters? You do not have to use all the counters which you make when you make a number. Okay, let's start. Suppose we take from the 10, 7 and 7 counters and here we get 1. The number is 71. Okay, next is, so we made the number 71. Next is, which number is it was is not possible to make? Tell the friends why you can't make these numbers. I can't make these numbers because why you can do this activity. Okay, next is use the clues to help you find the numbers. I have 2 tens and 4 ones. I have 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 and 1 10 means 20. One 10 means 10. Okay, we have 2 tens plus 4 ones, so it's equal to 24. Next is I have 6 tens and 8 ones. 6 tens means 60 plus 8 ones means 80 is equal to 68. Next, you can do at your own, draw the making counters from for each number. So this is your homework also, and let's start our second chapter. So